How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make your neck muscle stronger. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. First exercise we're going to do is we're going to do circles with our neck like this. Quick little break. That was 10 reps. Okay, the next exercise, I want you to turn your head, tilt your head, put your hand on your head and just give it a little push. This just provides a little bit of resistance. You should feel a nice stretch in this side of your neck. So again, just like this. Perfect. We're then going to turn our head. We're going to tilt it this way now. Again, hand on your head, a little push. You should feel a nice stretch in here too. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to go like this again. These circles are probably my favorite exercise to do. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.